Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today the topic is gonna be what's in my bag. Yung usually topic ng every girls, Kikay girls. So I usually bring small bags because I'm not really fan into big bags. So I prefer to bring outside with me the smaller bag or smaller than this, smaller. So yung bag ko depends on, in the mood or depende sa outfit mo. Kung you want to be like super kikay, I want it to be like uh, a little bit more bright color, like let's say pink, or like let's say um blue, ganon. Pero pag you want to be like ano lang, parang um, not so kikay, pero yung feminine, or what do you call this, glam nandoon pa rin. So I'm just gonna go to brown or any kind of neutral, maybe black or beige, some kind of like that. So ngayon, bibilisan ko lang yung video because I'm just gonna be sharing with you yung kung ano yung nasa bag ko. Kaya ako naman na palaging gustong magbitbit ng maliit na bag. It's because ano lang, yung tipong parang ayoko talagang magbitbit ng marami. Kasi yung iba, kaya naman malaking bags yung mga binibitbit nila, or malaking bag yung binibitbit nila because they want to put a lot of stuff, or maybe they just really want big bags or more space lang just in case. Pero kasi ako, sa akin, sa part ko, ayoko talaga yung parang bulky na bag, kahit sabihin mo wala masyadong nakalagay. So iba-iba talaga. Pero ako, gusto ko lang bitbitin yung mga stuff na talagang kailangan ko. So mauna na tayo sa powder. So ang powder ko palagi tong nasa akin, bitbit ko to palagi everywhere I go. Kailangan ko talaga tong nasa akin palagi, kasi usually when we go outside, yung pollution, yung yung mag-oily yung face mo, and I don't like it when I have a oily face, ganun. Parang nakasanayan ko na talaga ng lumabas ng may powder. Pero kung halimbawa naman dyan lang, magwawalis ka lang naman or pupunta ka lang naman sa grocery, hindi ko na bibitbitin yung bag ko or powder. So hindi na yun. So kung lalabas lang ako, pupunta lang ako sa grocery, bibitbitin ko lang yung keys at saka yung yung card ko and phone, or maybe also the what do you call this, the headphones, or not headphones, the yung maliliit lang na earphones. So ganon. So ito nga, powder first, and then my second need is syempre keys, importante to. Keys sa bahay, importante. And then also, parang mali. So, ang unang importante pala is ang keys muna. Syempre, paano ka makakalabas at pasok sa bahay. And then also, pangalawa, ito na ring wallet. Oh, not wallet. I have only like clip, parang money clip, ganun. I like it smaller. I don't really bring bigger wallets. Ayoko ng malaking mga bulky, kasi nga ang bag ko lang is very small. There's no room for big wallets or whatsoever. So I like to bring only like cards, maybe a little bit of cash, maybe nothing at all, no cash at all. Parang yun lang talaga. Because I don't want to bring a lot of stuff in my bag. So keys, money clip, and with my card holder. Kasama na dyan yung ID, of course, cards, credit cards, ID, of course. And then, pangalawa, the, I mean, no, pang fourth na importante sa akin, pinaka-importante sa akin are lipstick. So, lipstick. One, I have, like 1, 2, 3 lipstick I have inside my bag. So, meron akong 3 lipstick, color ng lipstick sa bag ko. Kasi, hindi lang isa yung ginagamit ko. Isa or dalawa yung ginagamit ko. Pero bihira lang ang isa kasi binagbiblend ko talaga yung dalawa. So, either lang yung parang beige lang, nude color. And then, hahaluan ko siya ng red sa baba. So, yun. Or, either kung magpipink lang ako, talagang pink lang. All pink lang ako. Pwede naman din yun. Kung gusto ko naman, parang nude color lang all day. Or, gusto ko lang na nude color. Ito lang gagamitin ko. But, if I want to combine the nude and red, so, para there's like a little bit more color. And then, if I want more color, I'm gonna combine the pink and the red one. So, ayun na nga. And then, if gusto ko namang pink, and then, meron naman akong pang contrast niyan. Ito naman ay with the para na rin siyang lipstick with the gloss. So, this is from Sephora, called Gloss. Yan. So, I like to combine this with my pink lipstick together. So, it's gonna give you like a little bit of a neutral color. And then, of course, blush on. Hindi mawawala sa akin ang blush on kasi mahilig ako maglagay ng blush on talaga. Minsan yung blush on ko putok na putok pa. Kailangan yan. Kailangan ko talaga to. Importante sa akin yan. And then, meron din akong hand cream, syempre. Dahil madalas talagang dry ang balat ko. At minsan nakakalimutan ko na kasing after mag-shower, minsan nakakalimutan ko na mag-lotion. Kaya parang on the go na lang. On the go na yung lotion. So, ayan. Small hand cream, diba? Parang travel size or whatsoever. And then also, I have travel size or miniature of, mascara. It's called Lash Clash from YSL. Oh. Yeah, there you go. So, ayun lang siya, no? So, mascara yan. Maliit lang siya, pero ang ganda talaga niya. I love this mascara. I really love this. So, I can do it on the go. Sa car o kahit saan. At least, maliit lang siya, di ba? Look at my mascara. So cute. And, okay, meron din naman akong eyeshadow dito. Maliit-liit na eyeshadow. On the go lang din. Just in case you want to have a little bit of eyeshadow na hindi mo naman ine-expect na mag-eyeshadow ka talaga. Let's say, gusto mo lang ng lipstick, powder, lipstick, and blush on, and that's it. Or mascara, and then that's it. And then, if you want to give a little bit of a sparkle, pag halimbawa, all of a sudden, somebody texts you na, oh, let's go to here, labas tayo, ganun. At least, ready ako kahit paano. Meron naman akong maliit na eyeshadow here. Ayan, ganun na siya kaliit. So, ayan. Ayan siya, mas sparkle. Look how cute and sparkly they are. Yan, so a little bit of like glittery effect lang. Nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy, And then also, tapos na ako sa eyeshadow and the mascara. I have a for the eyebrow. So this is from Valentino. I love this eyebrow pencil because it comes with so this one. Okay, parang ashy yung color niya. Parang ashy yung color. And meron din siyang kasamang brush. May brush na siya. Sorry for that. See, ginagamit ko na talaga siya ever since. And you know what's interesting to this? Kapag meron kang patchy-patchy, may mga patch yung eyebrows mo, you can use this as a magic trick. Oops! Sorry. You can use this as a magic trick. Hold on. Tada! Ayan na. Right. Tada! Okay. There you go. Diba? Meron siyang parang liner, liquid liner to draw some like fake hair sa mga spots lang para matakpan yung mga parang spots dyan na walang buhok, right? So it's really good. That's why I like this Valentino eyebrow pencil. Okay, so ito naman. This is Hydra Beauty lip care. So lip care ito from Chanel. Para din siyang lip balm just in case may mga crack. Iba naman kasi ang lip gloss, yung lip gloss kasi parang to make your lips glossy. Iba naman ang lip balm. Lip balm naman, it's like a healing to your lips. Kung you have a cracked lips, you have, like dry, cracked lips, you will want to put lip balm on your lips to heal it up. So, this one I have. Lip balm. So, it's not colored. It's just clear. Clear. So, there you go. And last but not the least, I want to show you something. Ang last na really I must have in my bag. Like, I would really transfer this from my bag to bag. Like, alam mo yun, parang importante talaga sa akin to. At hindi mawawala sa akin to in my bag. Everywhere I go with my bag, I need to have this. I need to have Our Lady of Manawag. I always have this in my bag. Like a medallion and something. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I always have that, and I always pray to Our Lady of Manawag and to Papa Jesus na, like sana gabayan niya tayo every day, lalo na if you're homesick or you have, struggles. Kailangan to. And even if you don't have struggles or any kind of, problems in life, I should have this because I always thanked him for everything that he gave me and to my family and to my loved ones. We have to be grateful for every day, na, nandito pa tayo. We still exist in this earth. So that's pretty much it inside my bag. So I think I already showed you everything what's in my bag. So comment down below what else na pwede natin pag-usapan dito, and let's see, what's our next topic, and I'll give you an update again sa mga topic pa, kung ano yung magiging topic natin. For now, you can guys suggest kung ano yung pwede natin i-topic or whatsoever. Okay, so see you next time. to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe po. And comment na rin down below. Thank you. Bye.